Hello, dear viewers! Today, we're diving into the career of Sila Türkoğlu, an actress who continues to conquer the Turkish film industry. Her journey into the world of show business began with her debut in the drama Don't Cry, Mom, and since then, she has been captivating audiences with her performances. Sila's first significant project was the series Don't Cry, Mom, where she played the role of young Alev, a woman who made a fatal mistake in her youth and after 18 years in prison returns to the world with a new perspective on life. This was an important step for the budding actress, who immediately showed her ability to tackle deep dramatic roles. Her success didn't take long to follow, and soon she was cast in the project The Promise. In this series, she portrayed Suna, a young woman who has been confined to a wheelchair since birth. Working alongside experienced actors like Özge Yaz and Gökberk Demirci allowed Sila to reaffirm her acting talent, creating a deep and touching character on screen. Sila's dramatic talent truly shone through in the series The Trusted. Here, she played Seher, a fragile yet strong woman who cares for her sick father and takes on the responsibility of raising her late sister's son, who is left orphaned. This was a complex, multi-layered character that Sila portrayed with sincerity and emotion. The relationship between Seher and Yemin, played by Halil Ibrahim Ceyhan, unfolded into a drama full of unexpected twists. However, during the filming of The Trusted, the actress faced some challenges. In 2022, Sila informed the producers that she intended to leave the project after the second season due to the harsh working conditions. Actors were forced to continue filming even while sick. The management of the production company, Caramel Yapim, disagreed with Sila's decision and demanded her participation in the third season, leading to a scandal. As a result, Sila stopped appearing on set, and her character was replaced by a double in the season finale. Despite this controversy, Sila remained in demand in the film industry. Soon, she expanded her audience by taking on the lead role of a smart and strong girl named Dogu in the multi-part melodrama, Cranberry Sherbet. This series tells the story of the complicated merging of two families with opposing life values. Sila's role in Cranberry Sherbet allowed her to expand her fan base and once again prove her versatility, handling both dramatic and comedic roles. On screen, she worked with stars like Doğukan Güngör, Sibel Taşçıoğlu, Evrim Alasya, and others. Sila Türkoğlu continues to amaze viewers with her performances and hard work in the industry. Her career is rapidly growing, and we eagerly await her future projects. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave comments, and we'll see you in the next episode where we'll share more stories about other amazing stars of Turkish television.